A landmark day here in New York. After nearly 3 months of stay-at-home orders, the city is entering phase 1 of reopening. Hundreds of thousands of workers will be commuting back into the city. It comes as other areas of the country see an uptick in new coronavirus cases. This morning in New York City, day 1 of phase 1. Once the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic, the city is taking its first steps towards reopening today.
This is a moment that every New Yorker should celebrate as our achievement together.
As many as 400,000 people are expected to be back at work, including manufacturers and construction workers. And stores can now open for curbside pickup.
So we're looking forward to seeing our regular customers come back.
Public transit is ready with new social distancing guidelines in place. Hand sanitizers and masks will be available at stations, while trains and buses will continue to be sanitized overnight.
One thing I'm concerned about off the bat is mass transit, MTA. I don't know if you can physically distance yourself in those crammed subways. And so a lot of this is going to come down to human behavior.
Officials warn the pandemic is not over. The death toll in the U.S. now climbing past 110,000. At least 18 states now seeing an increase in new cases. South Carolina seeing its highest single-day increase so far. In Texas, Dallas and Houston also seeing an uptick in cases. And as crowds gather across the country to protest the killing of George Floyd, officials are growing more concerned about another surge in cases. In the meantime, landmarks across New York City shining blue and gold Sunday night in honor of the sacrifice New Yorkers have made to flatten the curve of COVID-19 cases.
We bent the curve. We intended to flatten to get to a plateau. We bent it. And look at the rest of the country. We are curve benders, if there is such a thing.
In Kansas City, officials have issued a warning to people at a protest on May 31st. A protester there who did not wear a mask has now tested positive for the virus.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.